Morning. Okay, so I eat aloe vera. Think a Bible. I took a bite out of this one and I thought, let me share this with my friends. So here we go. Here is to health and good life and prosperity and good decisions and all good things. Yummy in my tummy. Do you like Think Bible? Do you consume it the way I did? What are some ways that we can consume Think Bible? It's bitter, you know, but it's so good for you.
I'm Jamaican, but I don't eat dumpling.
What?
Pork.
I'm Jamaican and I don't eat sardines.
Thinking too.
I'm Jamaican, but I don't eat cow skin.
Custard apple.
I'm Jamaican, but I don't eat egg.
Liver.
Tripe and bean.
Kidney.